Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to create a view. First, confirm permissions and the exact source table. Once done, open the BigQuery editor or your terminal and draft a select that returns the fields you need. Make sure to use fully qualified names like project, dataset, table to avoid ambiguity. If you plan filters or joins, sketch them now. Start with a simple select to verify results before wrapping it into a create view statement. This saves time and prevents syntax surprises. Now focus on the core logic you want the view to present. Combine joins, aggregations, and calculated fields into one clean select. Use aliases for clarity and include where and group by clauses as needed. Once your select returns the expected rows, run explain or query plan to check costs and slots. Make adjustments for performance. Avoid select asterisk and prefer explicit columns. Test with representative samples, then finalize the query text you'll use in Execute Create View Project. Dataset. View is followed by your finalized select, then run a simple select from the new view to confirm results. Make sure you validate access by impersonating expected users or checking IAM. If performance or cost is an issue, refactor heavy aggregations or push filters down into source queries. If the view fails, check error messages, missing columns, incompatible types, or use of non-deterministic functions are common causes. One key tip: verify dataset location and permissions first when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.